Hello everyone, I am Jared Wallace Villamor and I'm gonna make a video on how to create a virtual machine and how to install a choosing operating system in the virtual machine. And I will be showing you how to set up a LAN connection between host client computers. Also, I'll be showing you how to install a web server and how to install computer system. So let's start. First thing you need to do is open your VirtualBox, then go to the new and insert a name or any name like Asa. And next, create, next, next, create. Then go to the settings, storage, then click the empty, then click the empty here, and choose a disk file, and I click the Windows 7, then open, then OK, then start. Start. Wait for a little bit. Then click the next, install, then click the ultimate, then next. Accept the license, terms, and next. Some advanced, driver option, then new, apply, then OK. Then next again. Wait for it to finish. As you can see, this is the newly formatted Windows 7. And if you want to check all the drivers, go to the Start button. And right click the computers, then Properties, then go to the Device Manager. And as you can see, this is all the drivers of my Windows. And if you want to check the drivers if updated or not, then click this display adapters and right click this standard BG graphics and check the update drivers of insert locally. And as you can see, this is already updated. And as you can see, that's how you install a virtual tool. So guys, I'm going to teach you how to create a LAN connection host between a virtual machine. Now open the virtual machine, go to the settings, then network, then as you can see, it's already enabled. And click this and choose the bridge adapter, and the name is already in the wireless network adapter, and click the advance and go and this promiscuous mode, click this and click the allow all, then OK, then start. Wait a little bit, then enter. Wait for it to be installed. Then click the home. Then close. Now the VM has finished loading. Let's check the connection between the host and the VM. So let's go to the VM. Then search on the CMD. Then type ipconfig. Then enter. And as you can see, the IP address is 192.168 and 0.177. Now, do the same. Do the same on your host machine. Then search CMD. Then type ipconfig. Then enter. Then the IP address is 192.168.0.113. To check the connection, go to your VM, then type ping, then the IP address. Type ping. Then IP is 192.168.0.113 and enter. As you can see, there is a connection. Then to your host, type ping, then 1 space, then 192.168.0.117. Enter. And there is a connection. That's how to create a LAN connection and how to check it. So hello guys, I'm going to teach you on how to redeemit a system using SAMP. First thing you need to do is open your SAMP and start the Apache and MySQL. Then this is my redeemit system stock. Then right click this, then cut it and go to the installer of the SAMP. And this is the SAMP, and open the SAMP. Go to the htdocs and paste it. And open the stock and copy the link here. Control C. Then go to the Google. Then search the localhost. Localhost of phpMyAdmin. Then click new. And the database name is stock. Then create. After created, go to import and choose a file. Then choose a files and paste the link that you copied earlier and paste it, then enter. And this is the stock. Then search the stock and click and open. After you open, then scroll down, then click go. And this is the database that you find, and click new tab and search localhost and slash ni slash tapos name of my system is stock, then enter. Then let's try to log in. Admin password, enter, and click the product and add the product. Product name is example, example, example. Then select brand Forever 21. Then select sports and click the save change. Right, but we need a profile. And click in pictures, open, and save change. Available. Click the status and available, save change. Then the product is successfully added, then close. As you can see, this is the product that we added. The example Forever 21 sports available.